by stretching, you can reduce the stress off of your back by relaxing certain muscles that are actually pulling on your back and causing that back pain to get worse. And so today we're going to continue. In the previous weeks I showed you some stretches on the hip flexors, and so today we're going to, still focus on the hip, but also the glute and the hamstrings, because if the hamstrings are tight, then it's going to contract, and when it contracts, it's going to pull on your lower back, and that's what makes your lower back worse. So if we can relax the hamstring, elongate the hamstring, that will actually help alleviate some of your back pain. So here's some simple ones, and you don't have to get very fancy with stretches, right? So here's a couple of simple ones that I personally do myself. While you're laying on your back, this is my right leg, this is my left leg, all you have to do is just pull this to your chest, right? So I'm not very flexible, so I may not be the best example. But if you keep your right leg here straight, and you pull to your chest and just hold it. Hold it for about 30 seconds, right? And then relax. Make sure you want to breathe. A more advanced way, and this will really show how stiff I really am and not how inflexible I am, is instead of bending it, keep it straight, right? Keep your leg straight. And then pull back towards your chest. Obviously I'm super tight, so you can see that I need to be doing more of this at home. So keep your legs straight and then pull. You can actually have someone help you to keep your legs straight and push your leg back. But this will stretch the hamstring, the glute, and really elongate that muscle, okay, over 30 seconds. Really elongate this muscle so it doesn't pull on the back, because there's a fascia that's connected from your lower back and it's wrapped around your butt into your leg, and it's kind of like you can say like it's a rubber band, but it's like you need to stretch it out so it maintains that long. When I say elongate, to keep it long, right? Because if the less you stretch, things start to contract. So if you imagine there's a rubber band that's connected here all the way to the butt, to the back, if it contracts, if this muscle here contracts, right? If it contracts, then it pulls on the lower back too. And it's like pulling on the lower back, and that creates the stress on the lower back, right? So simple tip, if you can just elongate these muscles and tendons and ligaments, relax them, that will actually help with your butt pain, the pain in your butt, okay? And if there's any other type of stretches or any type of ailments you want me to talk about, well, tomorrow is Treatment Tuesday, so we'll talk about treatments tomorrow. But if there's anything that you want help with regaining movement while you're at home, comment below, like this post, share this post, comment below, let me know what movement are you not able to do, and let me see if I can give you some tidbits, some power tips on how to get back to what you were doing. All right, guys?
Contact us to schedule an initial exam today.